If you're like me and love a TV that looks beautiful and makes everything you watch feel new again, then you should really check out the Samsung 50-inch QLED Q8F 2025 model. What caught my eye first about this TV was a mix of premium design and next-gen AI features. It's slim, sleek, and actually feels smarter in daily use, not just on paper. By the way, I found a really good deal on Amazon from a trusted seller. I've put the link right at the top of the description so you can check it out easily. That's the same link I use to buy mine, and it helps you avoid fakes or old stock. Now, let me share what stood out after using it daily. The picture quality is genuinely stunning. Thanks to Samsung's Q4AI processor, even normal HD channels and older YouTube videos look almost like real 4K. When you do play true 4K content, the sharpness and clarity are amazing. The quantum dot technology with 100% color volume makes colors pop without looking overdone. Greens, blues, skin tones. Everything looks balanced and real, whether I'm watching movies, sports, or HDR content. The first thing you notice is the picture quality. The 4K resolution makes every texture sharp, and the quantum dot tech brings out rich, vibrant colors in games like Spider-Man 2 and Horizon Forbidden West. Dark scenes look deep and detailed, and bright parts really pop thanks to the HDR support. The Q4 AI processor helps too. It seems to clean up lower-res cutscenes or older games, so they look surprisingly sharp. Even when playing games that aren't native 4K, the upscaling keeps them looking good. What I also love is a low input lag. Controls feel snappy and responsive, so action games and shooters don't feel sluggish. And the AirSlim design just makes the whole setup look cleaner next to the PS5. I also love the AirSlim design. It's incredibly thin and looks premium on the wall or stand. It makes the whole living room feel more modern. One of the best daily features is Samsung Vision AI. It actually adjusts brightness and picture settings automatically. If you want a premium smart TV that delivers both great picture quality and genuinely useful AI features, I can honestly say this one's been a fantastic upgrade. Check out the Amazon link at the top of the description. It's the easiest way to get the real, latest model quickly, and usually with a good discount too.